Hello students, myself Rakesh Ranjan. I'm a qualified cost and management accountant. So this is my second video on YouTube for exclusively CMA Final student. So this is nothing. This is the in English version of preparation strategy for your final both group examination. So without wasting your time, let's start. Let's start the discussion. First, I will start with paper number 13. See, in paper number 13, that is your law paper, I will suggest that you have to first complete corporate governance topic with the study material by self. In this topic, no need to remember any single sections like corporate law and allied law. Here you need to remember. Here you need to memorize the point only. You may score 10 to 15 marks here without any risk. So do it first. And second, you should go for IBC 2016. In this topic, I think no need to spend too much time. You may refer only study material for this topic also. But in case if you want to watch the revision video for this topic, so search on YouTube, you will find. But my suggestion will be do it by self and solve all IBC related questions from last 2 to 3 MTPs. That's it. And in third priorities, you should go for corporate law. This is too much important topic for your law paper. 50% of question will be asked by this topic, so don't miss this topic. Here you should revise this topic wide CA final revision video from YouTube also, but I will not give any name here for any advertisement purpose. You may watch video as per your choice, but don't forget to go through from the study material so that just ensure that your all topic have covered or not before your examination. I would recommend to prepare own notes in summary with the section so that in at the time of revision you will feel good before examination 1 or 2 days goes. And fourth and last, you should go for the other corporate law that is also known as allied law. I don't think to watch revision video on YouTube for this topic because you may refer only study material and try to solve question from last 2 to 3 MTPs of entire chapter. That's it for paper number 13. Now comes to the paper number 14, that is your SFM paper and advanced financial management paper. You should target here exemption. This is a scoring paper because if you need if your preparation is very good in this paper, you can score exemption. So as per my point of view, you should focus on every easy topic at the first priority. First, you should take command on mutual fund topic. This is a very easy chapter, and you may see the scanner question for this chapter. For this chapter has asked in every attempt, so don't miss this chapter. And okay, on second priority is do the capital vesting. After that, do the lease decision, and after that, keep on fourth priority, that is portfolio chapter. After the portfolio chapter, you should go for forex and then derivatives, and in last go through from theory content from your section B of your study material, that is finance, market and institution. Don't see the question and answer, because you have to solve in the examination, so that you should solve by yourself, because in examination you have to write the answer. A lot of student and a lot of candidate have a question and a query that I know the answer, but I don't know how to start the writing the answer. So don't create this type of situation with you. So now comes to the paper number 15, that is a costing paper. Again, you should target here exemption, because remember you are a cost and management accountant student. So this is a very scoring paper if you prepare this in a very good manner. So I would recommend to first complete the operation research topic, because that is a very easy topic and you may score 30 marks here without spending too much time. And after operation research, you should go for a practical chapter of this paper, like you should first go for activity based costing, then marginal costing, then transfer pricing, then relevant costing, then standard costing, and then remaining part of theory like a total quantity management, Pareto analysis, benchmarking. And after that, you should go for a section number A of your study material, that is your cost management. In this section, you may see almost theory portion is covered, and some few chapter is also practical like target costing and life cycle costing. This is a very easy this is a very easy section in your study material. That's it for paper number 15. Now comes to the paper number 16. Paper number 16 is your direct tax. Yes, if you have your completed your direct tax classes, that is very good. And if you have not taken any classes, then I think you should uh, refer Vanvar Borana's direct tax revision lecture on your YouTube. And you may also buy a book and compiler the complete this paper easily. Okay, in this paper you should firstly complete your transfer pricing topic, and then go for capital gain, and then PGBP and income from other sources. After that, assessment of income and computation of tax liabilities of various entities, then penalty and prosecution. These are provision based practical chapter. And after this, go for tax management, return assessment procedure, and then go for ICDS and CVDT and other authorities. And last, don't miss the case study, because the case study is also important here. And after paper 16, let's come to the paper number 17, that is your CFR, corporate financial reporting. So here I would recommend to complete the first government accounting in India with the study material only. By self, you should I think you may get here 15 marks without any risk, because this is a very easy chapter. And after this, go for a small chapter like share based payment, then valuation, accounting and reporting of financial instrument and others. Remember, this topic is common for paper number 17 and paper number 20. After this, go for holding company chapter, that is your consolidation financial statement, and then go for amalgamation and reconstruction of company, and then go for section number A of a study material, in which you may refer about GAAP, INDES, and IFRS. Okay, now come to the paper number 18, that is your indirect taxation. In this chapter, you should complete first your custom law, and then GST, then FTP, and then go for case study. You can watch your revision video from YouTube for this paper. This is a very easy this is a very easy paper for your final examination. Okay, come to the paper number 19, cost and management audit. I would recommend that you should first do for section D, that is case study on performance analysis. This topic is completely practical. You may score here 25 marks, and trust me, all questions are too easy as a CMA intermediate student can solve this question. So trust me, this is a very easy topic. And so without failure, you should go through all question, and try to score 25 marks here, complete 25 marks here. And second, you should go for cost audit as per Companies Act 2013 with the cost accounting standard. And third, you should go for the internal audit. And in last, you should go for management audit. You may target exemption here also, and a lot of students get exemption here, because this is a very easy paper. Now comes to the paper number 20 for strategic management and a business valuation. First, you should go for business valuation. In this chapter, you may see common topic of SFM and the financial reporting. And then you should prepare a short note for theoretical part of strategic performance management. Remember, this is a very easy paper. Very easy paper. You may score exemption also here. And that's it for today, because This is a very good strategy. If you want to follow this, I think this will help for your final preparation examination. And uh, and in last, if you want to upload any video of any topic, just comment in comment section. I will try to provide whenever I will get the time. And if you want to reach out to me, write an email to, please write my email id, CMA Ranjan at the rate gmail.com. And uh, and in last, if you want to subscribe my channel and like and share my video, then I will sure get motivated to upload further video for exclusively of CMS students. So thank you so much for your patience. Best of luck. CMA Rakesh Ranjan. Bye bye.